Peaches. Woo-wee. I love peaches. I love good peaches. A shitty peach ain't do nobody no good. I'm not about a shitty peach. Unfortunately, they don't have a great lifespan. A week at most, start to go rotten. If you want to expand that lifespan and get the most out of your local produce, I recommend shrubs. Shrubs are a great option. So we got these from the Hudson Valley, upstate New York. Beautiful, juicy, big local peaches. I cut them up, I diced them up to about 1-inch square cubes. We got a quart of them here. We're gonna do equal parts fine granulated sugar. They're gonna macerate. This sugar is gonna eat up at this fruit and it's gonna pull all of his juices out. His, hers, its juices out. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator, let it macerate. Keep getting juicy in there in the refrigerator, nice and cold. Let that do about 5 hours or so. Pull that on out, and we're gonna add vinegar. When you add vinegar, you're almost pickling it. It's gonna really extend its lifespan, which would normally go bad in just a few days, to now a few months, and it makes for a great drink. That shrub makes for a great drink. Your vinegar options, you have a white vinegar, and then you have an apple cider vinegar, obviously the healthier, more nutritious option, but this, the white vinegar works as well. Ain't no problem. A little pinch of salt, you're all set. Let's go, let's make it. Oh. All right, guys, our peach shrub, it's coming together. Here's our peaches that we let macerate overnight in the refrigerator, say about 12 hours. Woo-hoo-wee! Yeah, that's peach. Oh, yeah, that's peach. That rings the back of your head. It's delicious. Ooh. Took this fine strainer, strained it out to this. 2 parts fruit syrup to your vinegar, and you're left with your end result. A delicious shrub that you can throw into cocktails. Collected all that nice, sweet, peachy syrup. 2 to 1. And there you go. Hudson Valley peach shrub.